Here's a 2016 Tesla Model S. Designed for the driver who wants none of the pollution, but all the performance. It comes with great features you love. Streaming audio, dual zone climate control, full service internet access, active grille shutters, automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, external memory control, cabin preconditioning, gas pressurized shocks, front and rear parking sensors, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Car and Driver reports it's attractive, comfortable, fast, practical, technically fascinating, and not overpriced. Most important, it's not just a good electric vehicle, it's a good car. Tesla believes going electric should bring with it an electrifying drive. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 561-508-9936.